Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will discuss this next question of simultaneous equation. So in the second case, this is a second case, two non-linear, two quadratic equation in two variables. Okay, the second case. So similarly, the previous one, first and foremost, name the equation 1 and equation 2. Since in this equation the two variable and both have square power, but one is similar this, the coefficient of x square and y square is same. For this one, first and foremost, equation 1, from equation 1, so open the square, x square plus y minus 1 whole square means a minus b whole square according to x y square plus 1 minus 2y is equal to 10, and then it becomes x square plus y square minus 2y. Students, this plus y, it becomes a minus 1. So finally 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay, this one. This is equation number 3, name as equation 3. So let's see this, equation 2 and equation 3 both have x square y square with the same coefficients. So subtract these two equations, equation number 2 and equation number 3. Subtract by subtracting equation 2 and 3. Okay, equation 2 and 3, there is one, equation 2 and 3, x square plus y square plus 4x is equal to 1, and here third equation is x square plus y square but minus 2y, not x, is equal to 9. Change the sign, student. X square cancel with x square, y cancel with y square. Okay, and remaining is 4x and this is y. Not simplify this one, x and y is the different terms. Okay, not a like term. So this is plus 2y. 1 minus 9 equal to becomes minus 8. Okay, so students, see, this is becomes a line, is a linear equation. 4 2 minus 8, 2 is a common term, so divide by 2 and then it becomes 2x plus y is equal to minus 4. This one, student. This is a linear equation and then name as equation 4. So now, according to previous question, this is our linear and one is non-linear. Simplify this one and finally find the result. Okay, so from 4 you can find y and then put into in any equation 1, 2 or 3. Okay, 1 and 3 both are same, so you put 1 or 3 any or a 2. So we use second equation. Okay, from 4 equation 4, y is equal to minus 4 minus 2x and put into two. Okay, from 4 and put into 2, and 2 is this one. So student, this is a y and replace y in this form. Equation 2 becomes x square plus y square and y is this one minus 4 minus 2x whole square plus 4x is equal to 1. Okay, So open the bracket and simplify, student, this become a quadratic equation. X square plus, so minus take common, though due to square minus become positive, so use a plus b formula. Okay, 4 square means 16, 2 means 4x square, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. Plus 1, it becomes a minus, separate and form a quadratic equation. X square 1 plus 4, it becomes a 5 x square, and 16 and 4, it becomes a 20 x, and then 16 minus 1, it becomes a 15 plus 15 is equal to 0. Students, 5 take common and it becomes equation 5x square plus 4x plus 3 equals 0, and then 5 divide by, and then it has become a 0. So finally this one. Okay, this is a quadratic equation in term of x. So solve by factorization. And factors will be x plus 3 and x plus 1. Okay. Similarly to previous question, find x minus 3 and x is equal to minus 1. Okay. X is equal to plus 3 and x is equal to minus 1. They are the two x values. Okay. So put in any in equation, this one into 4. Okay. Put into equation 4. Similarly here, put into equation 4. Equation 4 is this one, 2x plus y is equal to this. You can also use this one, y. Okay. So it's better than if we use 5. Okay. You can use 4, but 5 is easy because it already form in y. Okay. So y is equal to minus 4 minus 2x and x is equal to minus 3. Minus 4, minus plus 3 2s are 6, and then finally 2. Y is equal to 2. Okay. And similarly here, y is equal to minus 4 minus 2x and x is equal to minus 1. Here minus 4 minus plus 2 and minus 2. So student, I hope so do you understand this one. This is very simple question. Similarly, previous question, two equations form, and then firstly find interlinear equation, put in form quadratic, and then solve for two x values, put into 5 and then find out two y values. So the solution set will be x is equal to minus 3. Students, first value should be x. Okay, x minus 3, then correspond y is 2, and next pair will be minus 1 to minus 2. This is solution set. Okay. So student, this is very most important question of second case for simultaneous equation in two variable. Okay. I hope so you understand this question. and this is a second most important case of simultaneous equation in which both are non-linear. Okay, firstly, but the one hint is the coefficient of x square and y square in both equations is same. So we subtract and form a linear equation and then solve it. So if you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care, students.